Hello, in this video I'll be showing 20 most useful Windows run commands that every Windows user should know. So let's dive in. On your keyboard, press Windows R to open the run dialog box, or better still, you could go to this search bar here and type run. So this comes up, just click on it. So we have the run dialog box. So now type this appwiz.cpl. So after typing, you can click OK or click enter on your keyboard. So basically what this command does is it opens the apps and features center. So here you can uninstall applications. For example, if I want to uninstall Chrome, you just right click or select it, then right click and take uninstall. So our next command, mrt, enter. So you get a dialog box, click on yes. So the command brings up the Windows malicious software remover tool. So this tool can be used to scan for viruses on your computer. So to start using it, you just click on the next option, next. We have this full scan, custom scan, quick scan. So I'll just go with quick scan, click next. So with this inbuilt tool, you can easily scan your computer for malware or viruses. So our next command is desk.cpl, enter. So what this command does is it opens the display center. Here you can increase or decrease the brightness, your computer brightness, and we have other options like the scale, display resolution, and if you scroll down, have the advanced display. If you click that, you have all of this stuff. So our next command is dxdiag, enter. So the command opens the DirectX diagnostic tool. Here you can get information about your computer. Under system, if you go to display, you can get display information about your computer. So our next command is taskmgr, click enter. So it opens the task manager. So here we can see all the apps and services that are currently running. Now if let's say you want to terminate a program that is currently open, you just select like this, go to where we have end task. Once you click on it, the program will be closed. If we go to performance, click on performance, we have all of these CPU, memory, disks. If we check here, we have GPU, click on it. So here you can have all information regarding your graphics card. And where we have the disks, you can see the disk on this computer is SSD. That's another way to identify if your hard drive is SSD or not. So our next command is firewall.cpl. Click enter. So it opens the Windows Defender firewall. Here you can turn on and off your firewall. For example, if you go here, this option, turn Windows Defender firewall on and off. If you want to turn off your firewall, you just click here. For example, for private network, it is turn off, public is turn off. Make sure that you know what you're doing, because it's always advisable for your firewall to be turned on at all time, except for some reasons you might want to turn it off temporarily. So take note. So our next command is diskmgmt.msc. Click enter. So it opens the disk management center. Now let's say you have a hard drive of 500 gigabytes and it has just one partition, and you wish to create another partition. To do that, in my own case, I have just one partition, drive C. To shrink it, you just right click, you take the option shrink volume. Okay, now if you see here, this is currently the size of my hard drive, 400 and something. It is in megabytes. So I want to string a partition. Let's say I want to give 50 gigabyte, excuse me. So 50 gigabyte will be 50 3 zeros 1 2 3. So that's 50 gigabyte. So in megabyte it is 50 with 3 zeros. After doing so, you just click on string. Okay, so as you can see, the partition has been created. So it's currently showing unallocated. So next, you just right click on it and you take this option, new, click on next, Okay, I want it to have the label D. After that, click on next, finish. Okay, and also at the end here, if you go where we have disk0, you just right click, take properties to where we have volumes. So if you see here, the partition style is GPT. This information is very useful, or can be very useful when you want to install an operating system on this computer. You need to know if it is GPT or MBR. So the next command is OSK. Click enter. So basically what this does is it brings up the on-screen keyboard. So the next command, PSR, click enter. So it brings up the step recorder. This feature can help you record your screen. You just click on start recording. It's recording. Once you're done, you just click on stop recording. So our next command is msconfig. Click enter. So the command opens a system configuration center. If we go to boot, here we can turn on save boot by just checking that. So after checking that, for it to take effect, make sure you click on apply, then OK. So I'll be on checking it. I don't want to turn that on. If we go to tools, for example, so here we have all these tools. If let's say for example I want to open command prompt, just select it, click on launch. It opens command prompt. Now if I want to open let's say remote assistant, select, click on launch, it opens. And the others, if I want to open Windows computer management, select that, click on launch, it opens. So our next command is devmgmt.msc. Enter. So it opens the device manager center. Here, for example, you can update drivers. So let's say you have this Bluetooth driver. If you click on it, you can update driver, disable driver, uninstall driver, scan for hardware changes, and the rest. So our next command is msinfo32. Click enter. So the command opens the system information center. Here you can find all information regarding your operating system or your computer. I'll have these other options here: hardware, resource, components, software environment. So our next command is ncpa.cpl. Click enter. Okay, so here it opens the network connection center. Here, for example, if you want to set a static IP address on your computer, you come here. This place could be very useful. Once you're here, for example, the Ethernet option. But if you are connected via Wi-Fi, you go with the Wi-Fi option. So Ethernet cable, just double tap on it. This comes up where you have this option, Internet Protocol version 4. You just double tap. It opens this. So yeah, we have the options address automatically. Normally this is how it will be by default. So if you want to assign static, you just select use the following IP address and you input your IP address. So our next command is charmap. Click enter. So it opens a character map. So you have various characters and symbols. Now, if let's say for example you are using a French keyboard, sometimes from experience it is difficult to identify this @ symbol or arroba symbol. Now, if you are finding difficulty identifying that on your keyboard, you could just open this. Once you open this, you click on the @ symbol or arroba symbol. This is it here. You just click on this copy. Once you've copied it, you can always paste it anywhere. Let me say notepad. Okay, I'll just Control V. I've pasted it there. If I want this symbol, for example this, click on the symbol, take select, click copy. If I go here, V, so see, that's it. So our next command is cleanmgr. Click enter. Drive C, we have the other volume. I'll just go with drive C, click OK. So have this. So what this does is it cleans up junk files on your system. So you have all of these thumbnails. You just check this, check them. Check. check and check. So I want you to clean all the junk files in those locations. I'll click on clean up system files. So a total of 6.53 gigabyte of disk space will be freed up after cleaning all or deleting the junk files. Okay, so our next command is control. Click enter. So what that does is it opens the control panel. Close. So our next command is services.msc. Click enter. So it opens a services center. Here you can start and stop services. For example, we'll have this Windows update. You just right click on it. You can stop, restart, or just double tap on it. So as you can see, currently it's running. So if you want to stop it, just click on stop. It stops it. Okay, our next command is regedit. Click OK. A dialog box comes up. Click on yes. So it opens a registry editor. So here you can perform some advanced operations. This is useful for advanced Windows users. So our next command is mstsc. Click enter. So it opens a remote desktop connection. With this, you can remotely connect to another computer. So our last command is shutdown /s. Click OK. So you get this message, you're about to be signed out. Windows will shut down in less than a minute. So yeah, just click on close. Basically, that what the command does is it shuts down your computer. And there you have it. 20 powerful run commands every Windows user should know. Which one did you find most useful? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. See you in the next one. Thank you.